Today, we explore a realm where humans first realized that while we can travel across land, the sky too should be conquered. This curiosity led us into the world of helicopters, a world where every tiny component, every design choice, and every technical detail is carefully crafted to make flight safe and efficient. The first practical helicopter was built in 1936 in Germany by Henschel, known as the FW-61. Its structure was small and lightweight, primarily designed with two rotors. The main rotor provided lift, allowing the helicopter to rise vertically off the ground, while the tail rotor maintained balance, preventing it from spinning uncontrollably. Its engine was modest, carefully sized to lift the weight of the craft without adding excessive bulk. Beneath the helicopter, the frame, or skid, was installed to ensure smooth landings and absorb the impact upon touching the ground. The wheels and landing gear were also carefully sized to reduce shocks during takeoff and landing, maintaining stability throughout flight. Every component, from the rotors to the engine, frame, and wheels, worked in harmony to make the helicopter capable of controlled flight. Today's modern helicopters, such as the Bell 525 Relentless, Sikorsky S-92, and Airbus H225 Super Puma, follow the same principles but on a much larger and more advanced scale. The main rotor is designed to lift heavier loads and provide stability in turbulent air. The tail rotor ensures balance, while engines are powerful enough to enable flights spanning thousands of kilometers without excessive vibration. Landing gear and frames are now made from advanced, lightweight materials that increase strength while reducing weight. The manufacturing process for modern helicopters is precise and highly advanced. Every rotor, engine, fuselage, and control system undergoes rigorous testing through simulations, wind tunnels, and stress experiments. Aerodynamic control systems, GPS navigation, and shock-absorbing technologies ensure that every flight is smooth and safe. This level of manufacturing precision is what bridges the gap from the small early models to today's high-performance helicopters. In the future, helicopters are expected to become even lighter, more powerful, and partially automated. They may integrate drone technology, allowing for semi-autonomous flight with advanced sensors, reducing human error and enabling faster and safer transportation of passengers or cargo to remote locations. Every helicopter, from the small FW-61 to today's modern marvels, tells the story of human innovation and the dream of flight. Each rotor, engine, and component represents a technical achievement in its own right. We are thrilled that you joined us on this fascinating journey through the history, evolution, and manufacturing of helicopters. Thank you for spending your time exploring the skies with us. In the next video, we will see how future flight technologies, including advanced drones and helicopters, could reshape the way humans travel through the air.